Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the weighted moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the weighted moving average. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 58 indicators, and out of those 58 indicators, 17 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 17 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the weighted moving average. And this is a continuation of the moving average head-to-head testing that we have been doing in the last handful of videos. So the weighted moving average, pretty simple here, and it is designated by the blue line. We are doing a price action cross, so when the price action breaks up above, that is a signal to go long. When it breaks down below, that is a signal to go short. Alright, that's how we will be testing it today. Let's get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of the weighted moving average. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see here. We had a few crosses here. Let's see. That one technically didn't cross up. It opened up above, then came back down. So let's see. It's a losing trade on that one. Then on that one, did the same thing. It opened above, came back down. Don't think that made it. No, it did not. Then it broke above there. So not a great start for the weighted moving average, I must admit. But of course, don't make any assumptions, because I have done that in the past, and by the time I get to the end of the year, it turns out that the indicator can actually be profitable. So we will give it the benefit of the doubt and keep plugging along here. There we go. See, it's already starting to balance out those losing trades. Just keep plugging along here. It's not doing too horrible now. Like I said, it's managed to kind of start balancing itself out. First couple of trades were super rough. But that's alright. Bound to have some rough patches. It'd be nice if this moving average could kind of swoop and filter out these choppy zones, but doesn't seem to do it. Oddly enough, the one that, see, I think it was the whole moving average, if I'm not mistaken, that was, that I noticed was actually filtering out some of those choppy areas. But unfortunately, it didn't make it to the 60%. Still doing a reasonably decent job. It's catching these really big trends. So that is good. Hopefully it can keep up the good work. If we could just stop hitting these little areas of chop zone, it would definitely be much better. We're almost to the end of the year now, and it really nailed this monster trend right there. So that's reasonable. But that doesn't mean it's going to meet the 60%. Let's finish out the last couple of signals here. Then we can add them up. Alright, that's the last one there. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Doesn't surprise me because all the rest of the moving averages I've noticed have been right around the 24 to 26 marker when have been right around the 24 to 26 marker once we count it out for the year. So that seems about normal. Not really over trading, not really under trading. But alright, so the number of wins: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So again, very, very close, but unfortunately that does not meet the 60%. So yeah, the weighted moving average, it doesn't seem to be anything spectacular. Seems to be, kind of a middle ground moving average. Catches some really decent trends, but then at the same time, it seems to have its moments where it's getting chopped around and, whipped in and out of trades. And so, not horrible by no means. I mean, super close to the 60%, but there's definitely so far a better moving average out there, and that has proven so far to be the exponential moving average. And so, yeah, we'll keep going on from here. We only have one more to test at this point, and that is the smooth moving average. So we will put this down on the no list. We will move on to the smooth moving average, and we will see what that one can give us. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.